next generation tan saya oleh siang naik itu hokrano oleh TSM cil tambimo joto boro elakau mutam listi abo yang ini basic saya treweha ini khap sama ya pibe joto na khap moribe boro elakani khapani joto ini dono treweha hambai diba engkau rono payah di pramotha ayo lokha maras kurang joining program ain loge ang Choronjeria ex executive member TTADC 2000 meeting kain loge pray approximately 200 above I think asu ain loge join ka bibhinno ada CPIM nito ada o BJP nito ke ordek boro IPF ni boro boto
Kamu edisi eleksi sekarang tahu yang area ini bisingo di pramotan sahabat terbuka jadi tahu kan?
Onek tabang agang oro tangjak orona ini atnung wanogor gonda sora এই constituency ono jongba sawi payo kito fil chin borok ni andano chini ST chini kombara jemon nationalist party ni andarono to biskabu kaham nong nai finally ke thanai edisi election only 67 I think abon bak se chemo ako paima seklayo karon biskang taibo hamnai jongbo nokhar ka eto din achuk to mani ke biskang beleno hamnai bo arno ngonogor gondasara constituency
tamna wansu mung no tin ti pramotha joining rekha
ang obo Maharashtra ni je thangsani mari no tui bono logeriwe jin borok ni age bo chung ancholik don khayo tiujes chei TSF ni tiujes khaya abo bini chung bibhinno dol IPF boi khai lekha karon abo nai nei mani tabuk ekmatro chini royal family raja ras bongso ni 184 জন রাজানি বংশ কিন্তু অব মহারাজ যেহেতু নেতৃত্ব হামানে চিনি কুমারী থাংসান মারি বেলায় হামনাই টিউজেস जों 6 শিডিউল বা 7 শিডিউল তো বুকা চিনি টিউএস নি যারা নেতৃত্ব যেমন Samasaran Tripura, Nogendro Zomatia, Draw Kumari yang Tini Horina Debor Maso, Masaya Manu ya bolong missing Jetuchin Kongbaran Bago Unistopa, Tribal Bawi, or Sam Kai Peka, or Samuno Chong, Moharas Thai over no successful Kene, Bas, Asuna. Bele.
Yeah, I think here itself around 180 plus have joined, and it's not about people joining Tipra Motha. It is about people connecting with us. Why do people join one party to another? That is not important. What is important is that when the Tiprasas come together, how can we change the future of our next generation? I have learned a lot. You're a young man, you're a new reporter, you're a new journalist. I'll tell you something. In life, if you only do politics, you will never achieve anything. But if you love your people with your heart, they know that there's a genuine person there working for them and they come. But then again, I also appeal to my party people that you have to also learn from Bubagra and be humble, be nice, and genuinely love your people. Nobody from outside will come and change our life. We have to take responsibility of our lives. And I have seen that, today, like I gave a message about unity. Unity is not political, it is about your dopa. And I'm dopa. 5 years.
Yeah.
Those people who are traveling now were silent for 5 years. They wouldn't even come to Tiprasa area.
Yeah.
But now that the election is closed, these people have started traveling to Tiprasa areas. So that's why you all are focusing on me. But I have been all over. In fact, I was in Raima Valley and Ganganagar 2 months ago, 3 months ago. Before that also I was there. I've been here for the last 5-6 years. These guys are coming for the first time because election is closed, so they want to show that they really love our Tiprasa people. But the Tiprasa people are very intelligent. They know that who really is for them and who really is here only to ask for votes.
And Vivek, towards
No.
Promo.
First
What
of
is
all,
your views?
First of all, young man,
Yeah.
I was also a journalist. So there's a difference between being brutally attacked and someone pelting pebbles at you.
Stone, yeah.
Pebbles.
Yeah,
They were not stones. Stones are big. I was attacked in Mohanpur in
Yeah.
2021 in open CCTV camera. I was attacked in the SDM's office. Did one person ever get arrested? Why? When Bishwajit Dev Burma was murdered by Pinat Nath, the fireman in Kanchanpur, during Panisagar, you saw the face of that Pinat Nath fellow. Why hasn't he been arrested? When Parmeshwar Young was killed in Gandatisa, not very far from here, people were arrested. They have been released on bail. When Anjal Chakma was killed 3 months ago, yet the main person who is killed is in Nepal and nobody is making any noise. People have forgotten about it. I condemn any sort of violence. अगर किसी ने क्या नाम है आपने बोला बिपिन की गाड़ी में पत्थर फेंका, नहीं फेंकना चाहिए, लेकिन हमको कभी कभी लगता है कि ये लोग भी कभी कभी केस फैब्रिकेट करते हैं क्योंकि तब उनको पीएसओ मिलेगा और पीएसओ मिल के तब घूमेगा तो थोड़ा वीआईपी से लगेगा। लेकिन अगर जेन्युइन अटैक हुआ है तो जो लोगों ने अटैक किया उनके अगेंस्ट कार्रवाई हो और उनको अरेस्ट किया जाए। मैं उनको डिफेंड नहीं करूँगा क्योंकि मैं कभी भी क्रिमिनल एलिमेंट्स को डिफेंड नहीं करता। एंड जब कमलपुर में भी फाइट हुआ था शांतिर बाजार में, सबसे पहले आई वॉज द मैन हु वेंट एंड विजिटेड द लोकल एसडीएम जिसके ऊपर अटैक हुआ था। मैं खुद जीपी हॉस्पिटल गया और मैंने उनके फैमिली के सामने बोला बहुत गलत हुआ। आज तक तिपरा मोथा के वर्कर्स को जब मारा गया है, सीपीएम के वर्कर्स को मारा गया है, कितने बार बिपिन देव वर्मा या बीजेपी भी नहीं, 1-2 लीडर्स ने हॉस्पिटल जाकर घायल से बात किया, एक बार भी नहीं। तो वाई शुड यू ओनली आस्क, ये भी माइक उनके मुख पे भी लगाकर पूछे कभी कभी, नहीं पूछेंगे आप क्योंकि अगर आप पूछेंगे तो आपका केबल चैनल काट देगा, ठीक है, मैं जानता हूँ, तो आप नहीं कर सकते। लेकिन स्टिल आई लव ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल, और अंत में योर वोट, हर वोट, हिज वोट, हिज वोट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन दोज पीपल्स वोट, एंड दीज पीपल आर विथ मी एंड वी विल विन।
Thank you so much, bro.